6 steps and 3 minutes tutorial on repairing damaged tile. Step 1. Wound cleaning. Use a notching machine to roughen the periphery of the wound. Then clean up the remaining debris inside. And drop in marble glue to seal the bottom of the wound. Step 2. Wound filling. First, use crepe paper to cover the surrounding environment. Such wounds need to be filled in 2 times. For the first time, add the curing agent at a ratio of 30 to 50 to 1 to prepare the marble glue. After stirring thoroughly, fill the hollow space at the bottom. The second time, add special ceramic toner pigments to the marble glue to adjust the color as close as possible to the background color of the tiles. Fill it on the surface of the wound, and make it slightly higher than the surface of the tiles to prevent collapse. Step 3. Sanding. First, wrap the woodblock with 240 grit sandpaper and smooth the filled wounds. Then use 600 to 1000 grit sandpaper to remove the previous sandpaper marks to make the surface smoother. Step 4. Main pattern preset. At this time, the filled wound will lack a little texture. We can use sandpaper to lightly carve texture grooves, adjust the corresponding texture color, trace the texture with a pen, and then seal it with stone glue. In this way, it is equivalent to burying all the color in the filling material, and there is no need to worry that the color will be easily rubbed off during future use. Step 5. Coloring. Sand the surface with the embedded texture in the previous step again, and then use cotton cloth or a paintbrush to paint the color and secondary texture on the wound surface to blend it with the surrounding environment as much as possible. After completion, you can simply sand it with 1000 grit sandpaper. Step 6. Spray glaze sealing. Finally, we need to spray the glaze on the wound surface to achieve the same brightness and hardness as the surrounding environment. The final effect is as you can see. If this tutorial is useful to you, please leave your like or comment and subscribe to this channel.